Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about antigen. What is an antigen? That's what we are going to discuss. Antigen are substances. What are those substances? Which can be recognized by our B cell receptors. Basically, B cell receptors are the one which secrete immunoglobulins. So these are the antigens will bound with immunoglobulins or antibodies, and these antibodies are the fighter cells. So antigen antibody complexes are formed, and thus that is our immune response. So antigen also give rise to immune response. Even T cell receptors, along with major histocompatibility complex, that is MSC, a very interesting complex. And this how this T cells bind with MSC and how they respond with MSC, and then they fight with antigens. This is a very interesting topic that we are going to learn. At present, what we should learn is that antigen is any kind of substance which our body is going to fight it out. Now, why this fight will take place is because antigens can be of following types: exogenous antigens, which have been, we will discuss it in detail in the next slides. Another type of antigens are autoantigens, tumor antigens, alloantigens. These four are the different types of antigen which can enter, which our body can encounter, and where our immune system will give an immune response. As the name signifies, coming to exogenous antigens, exogenous, that means they are external. So they enter the body via ingestion. Example is, one of the example can be of Staphylococcus aureus, which has a which secretes a food toxin. So this causes food poisoning in our body. So this antigen, this we can by accident ingest this kind of pathogen. Any kind, one of the example was Staphylococcus aureus. Any kind of antigen can be ingested by us, and which our body immune system will come and fight. Next is we can inhale. Inhalation, I think, will be very clear to all of you. That is why we all are wearing masks these days. And third is injection. Injection can be because of the used needles, and HIV is one of the example of this. There are other cases also, hepatitis B, HIV. These kind of infections are caused by injectables. So this slide tells about these pathogens, chemicals, toxins, allergens, pollens. These are different kind of antigens which can enter our body, which are exogenous antigens. Now coming to autoantigens. Auto, as the name says, that is, they are self antigens. They are formed in our body. Our own body, our normal cellular proteins or complex of proteins are mistakenly attacked by the immune system. So our body own protein is taken as foreign. And when a body start treating that, this can be because of some kind of immunointolerance, some defect in immune system, give rise to our body cells fighting its own cells, treating them as antigens. So, so this kind of antigen can also exist, that is autoantigens. Another one is tumor antigen. Our own cell becomes cancerous, and that cancerous cell will expose an antigen on its surface. This antigen somehow escapes the immune system, and so we call them tumor antigens. Immune system has to eliminate such cells, as I have described in when we were studying cells of lymphocytes. That is, natural killer cells come across these cells and phagocytose them. But somehow, if they are there, then our body has to fight it out. Another is alloantigens. What are alloantigens? They are found in different members of the same species. Best example of this is blood group A and B. Blood group A is not antigenic for all the people who are having blood group A, but if it's transfused into the blood group B, then this A antigen will be a foreign thing for a B, blood group B antigen people. That is why it is called alloantigen, because in the same species of, in the different members of the same species will be having it. Thank you so much. This was today, this is all for today's lecture. Thank you.